Good morning to each and everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to assemble a pilot ball pen the easiest way. First, get the bottom and the
head.
tube and turn like that. Then get the needle and like this. Yeah. And get the tunnel and turn turn or twist. The last, get the
No, that's the cup.
cup.
Cup. Yeah.
And then
pilot ball pen.
like that.
And next I will show how to
So you do it.
how to disassemble.
I'll also teach you on how to disassemble pilot ball pen in easiest manner. Twist,
I will.
lick, and dunk.
No, you forget it.
You
You forget.
It's easy.
How did you do that?
Oh, it's magic.
Oh,
You-
so nice.
You clap your hands.